The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, child safety locks, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.